Hello everyone, this is OP sir and welcome to Ganitom Mathematics. Dear friends, we are going to discuss question number 9, which is actually similar to question number 8, which we have solved in the previous video. In this also, we have to say about 0.3 regarding that what is the reciprocal and it is equal on. So we will see the question. Is 0.3 the multiplicative inverse of 3 whole 1 upon 3? Okay, so why or why not? So we will see the solution of that. Okay, solution. So in this case, 3 whole 1 upon 3 we have, and we have to multiplicate. We have to find the multiplicative inverse of this. So multiplicative inverse of 3 whole. Actually, this 3 whole 3 upon 3 we can convert 3 3 is 9 plus 1, that is 10 upon 3. So 10 upon 3. What is that? Multiplicative inverse of that? We already know that reciprocal is only called multiplicative inverse. So 3 upon 10. 3 upon 10. So in this case, now as we can see that here it is in decimal. So if we can convert this in decimal, so that when we will convert this in decimal, so we will get 0.3 only. So in this case, we will say yes. Yes, 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3 whole 1 upon 3. Because if we will take the product of that number and their reciprocal, we will get 1. So you can see that is 0.3 into 3 whole 1 upon 3. When we convert this, that will be 3 upon 10, and that is 10 upon 3. When we will cancel, we will get 1. So by this we can say that 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3 whole 1 upon 3. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video.